So today we are going to see one error, that is 404 not found error. Why I am making this video? Already I have done video, but why I am doing, because I got one comment like he is not understanding what is 404 not found error. He is not got clearly in my that video. So I thought I will make one more video with clarification, because already I told, if you are not getting, please comment, I will make one more video. Okay, so I am doing for that. So you can see here, this is my API. Okay, this is my API and I am running this API in my local server. Local server is nothing but what? Local server is nothing but XAMPP. You can see here I have started my XAMPP. So this is nothing but my local server. So if you are running any your local APIs, then you need to start your XAMPP, then only my API will get work, otherwise it will not get work. So most important thing, you need to start your XAMPP first. Okay, so this is the first condition I can say. If it is started, then come here in your Postman, then check which request is, whether it is get request, whether it is post request. According to that you select, then go here and send. Okay, then after that it will tell whether my API is working correctly or not. So you can see here my API is not working correctly, right? Because I am getting one error, that is 404 not found error. Means what? Means it's like I have written API, but it is not finding that API in my application. My this Postman is not getting this API in my application. That is my lift_API. This is my one application. Okay, means that is one my file. In that file, it's not getting this customer_master report API. Okay, so for that we are getting this not found error. Clearly it will tell not found means what? It is not getting that file, that path it is not getting. Whatever path we are given here, that path it is not getting, means Postman not getting, or you can say local server not getting. So we are getting that error. So to solve this error, what we need to check? First we need to check whether our file is correct. Okay, then I'll check this. You can come here, see this is my lift_API. So the file name is correct, like this lift_API. Okay, so you can see this is correct. Sometimes this will get wrong, like spelling and wrong, that time also will get this error. Okay, so you need to check that first. Then check whether it is an API or web.php. So you can see my code, it is in API, not in web.php. It is in API. Okay, so that is also correct, API. Then I need to check this root, or we can say this path. So what I will do, I will go in this API folder. I am in API folder. Then I will check this, I will search this whether it is there. So you can see it is not finding this get customer report, it is not there, right? So I am getting that error. So latest spelling not found. Okay, so I'll check whether it is not there. So you can see get customer report, spelling is everything is correct, right? So what I will do, I will try for get customer whether it is there. So you can see get customer files are there. So we'll check from first. So see, this is get customer, this we don't want, this also we don't want, this also, because it is our report, right? So you can see here there is a get_customer, but you can check here report spelling is not there, right? And here you can see here is there, so that is wrong. So it is not getting that path. So only we are getting that error, that is 404 not found error. If I run this, I will not get an error, because everything is correct. My file name is correct, my path is correct, my API folder is correct, then my path is correct. If I send this, you can see I got all my details, right? So like this you can run your application and you can test your local APIs by using Postman. So I hope now you easily got what is 404 not found error. If you I don't think so now you will be having any question. Okay, so guys, if you're liking our videos and if you want more solutions and all, then please guys like our channel, because already I have done lots of solutions regarding Postman errors. Okay, so thank you so much for viewing guys, keep supporting guys, thank you.